Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.7, Problem 1. This is Section 4.7, Problem 1. It says a Math 011 class has 20 students in it. 15 are Portuguese. What percentage of the students in the class are Portuguese? So this is kind of a common situation. So what we want to do is rewrite this problem in such a way that it's saying A is P% of B, and we're going to use our A is P% of B sort of a formula. So to convert that into this sort of a sentence, we want to ask ourselves 15 is P% of 20. That's how we have to start it. So 15 of the students in the class are Portuguese. There's 20 students altogether. We want to know 15 is what percent of 20. That follows our A is P% of B format, and we can fill it into this formula. So the A is 15. Is P%. The percentage is unknown, so we'll leave it as P. Percent, when you say percent, you write a 100. And then come back underneath the 15. B, that's 20 for this problem. And now it's all filled in. So what we do is we cross multiply, like that, and then solve for P. You're going to divide what's next to the P. So 20 times P will be 20P. That will be equal to 15 times 100 is 1500. Now to solve for our unknown of P, we'll just divide the 20 into the other side. So P is 1500 over 20. Now, I can reduce that without using even a calculator. If you have a calculator that your teacher will let you use, you would enter it this way. 1500 divided by 20 equals. If you don't, you would divide it out the long way. But what I see is I can at least start by canceling a 0. They both end in a 0, so I'm essentially reducing by 10. So I have 150 over 2. Well, so half of 150 is 75. I can do that without a calculator doing the division. So P is 75, so that means 75%. If you have 20 students in a class and 15 of them are Portuguese, that means 75% of the students in the class are Portuguese.